How to kill leafcutter ants. Although leafcutter ants are not native to the southern United States, they are beginning to make an appearance in the area. Leafcutter ants can be devastating to plants as they can cut plants off at the stem and carry it away, leaving just a stub behind to wither. If colonies of leafcutter ants are able to get into trees, it is possible for the tree to be destroyed as the leaves are cut off. Leafcutter ants are a challenging garden pest. However, it is possible to control and even stop their advance with some natural and non-toxic methods. Things you will need: baby powder, cayenne pepper, lemongrass, plastic wrap, synthetic tree sap, paintbrush. Follow the trail of leafcutter ants and determine where the ants are nesting if possible. If the ants are entering the house, observe them until it is possible to locate their trail and where they are entering the house. Mix equal parts of baby powder and cayenne pepper. Place the mixture along the ants' trail. This mixture will coat the ants and suffocate them. If the nest can be located, pour the baby powder and cayenne pepper mixture into the nest. Place lemongrass around the perimeter of the garden. Lemongrass is an easily controlled plant and is a natural ant repellent. By planting lemongrass around the edge of garden and flower bed, the ants will be reduced in the garden and the plants won't be damaged. Wrap the base of trees in plastic wrap and cover the wrap with a synthetic tree sap that can be bought at gardening stores. The ants will become stuck in the sap and die. The synthetic sap can also be used around the base of buildings to prevent leafcutter ants from getting inside.